Here I've been asked to introduce the person in Java that really needs no introduction. So without further ado, please give the father of Java, James Gosling, a big round of applause.
The apps on your phone, the banks that earn your money, even a robot on Mars, all powered by the same language, Java. In 1991, at a time when the internet was barely a thing, a man named James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems had a dream. The dream was to build a language for cable TV boxes. That dream failed, but the language lived. It was called Oak, but due to a trademark issue, they renamed it after coffee, Java. Imagine naming your life's work after your caffeine addiction. Respect, man. Java wasn't just a programming language, it was a revolution. In a world of chaos, Java offered one magical promise: write once, run anywhere. As the web exploded in the late 90s, Java applets ran in browsers, developers loved the freedom, big companies loved the power. Soon Java wasn't just on the web, it was running everywhere. Banking systems, server farms, to enterprise software, the real backbone of the digital world. J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition became the suit and tie version of Java, and it fit big business perfectly. Then came Android, and Java exploded all over again. Google picked Java as the official language for Android apps. Suddenly, Java wasn't in the office, it was in your pocket. From web to mobile to outer space, literally Java has gone places most languages only dream of. NASA used Java in mission planning software, whereas Minecraft was built in Java. Millions of smart cards use Java code. While flashy new languages come and go, Java remains. Faster, cleaner, more modern, and still trusted. The JVM, its secret weapon, lets developers write once and run well everywhere. In cloud computing, big data, and even AI, Java is not done, it's just evolving. Java's story isn't just about code, it's about vision, resilience, and rewriting the rules. From a failed TV project to one of the most important tools in human history, Java didn't just survive, it compiled the future. Like the story? Subscribe the Compile Bros for more amazing content. Thank you.